Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build your very own PC in just 10 minutes. Whether you're building your first rig or upgrading your current setup, stick around for easy to follow steps. Let's get started. First we see Tools and Components Overview. Narration. Before we dive into the build, let's take a look at the tools and components you'll need. Visuals. 1. Layout tools, screwdriver, anti-static wristband, thermal paste. 2. Show key PC components. The motherboard, CPU, RAM, graphics card, power supply, storage, and case. And next, how we installing the CPU. Step 1. Installing the CPU. Grab your motherboard and CPU. Gently open the CPU socket latch and align the CPU with the pins. Make sure the golden triangle on the CPU matches the socket's corner. Drop it in place and secure the latch. Visuals. 1. Close-up of the motherboard. 2. Slow motion clip of inserting the CPU and closing the latch. Scene 3. Adding the RAM. Narration. Step 2. Time to install your RAM. Find the DIMM slots on your motherboard. Open the clips on both ends, align the notch on the RAM stick, and press firmly until it clicks into place. Visuals. 1. Highlight the RAM slots. 2. Demonstrate inserting the RAM sticks. Text overlay. Step 2. Insert the RAM. Scene 4. Mounting the motherboard. Narration. Step 3. Let's mount the motherboard. Place the I/O shield into your case first. Then align the motherboard with the standoffs in your case and screw it in securely. Visuals. 1. Show the case's interior. 2. Install the I/O shield. 3. Demonstrate screwing in the motherboard. Text overlay. Step 3. Mount the motherboard. Scene 5. Installing the power supply. Narration. Step 4. Next, let's install the power supply. Slide it into the PSU compartment of your case, usually at the bottom or the top depending on your case design, and secure it with screws. Visuals. 1. Show how to place the power supply in the case. 2. Screw the power supply in. Text overlay. Step 4. Install the power supply. Scene 6. Adding storage, SSD, HDD. Narration. Step 5. Adding storage. Whether you're using an SSD or HDD, find the drive bays in your case. Slide in your storage device, screw it down, and connect the SATA cable from your drive to the motherboard. Visuals. 1. Show SSD and HDD options. 2. Demonstrate mounting the storage and connecting cables. Text overlay. Step 5. Install storage. Scene 7. Installing the GPU. Narration. Step 6. Installing the graphics card is next. Locate the PCIe slot on your motherboard. Remove the expansion slot cover from your case. Align the GPU with the slot and press it in. Secure it with screws. Visuals. 1. Show close-up of PCIe slot. 2. Clip of installing the graphics card. Text overlay. Step 6. Install the GPU. Scene 8. Connecting power cables. Narration. Step 7. Connect your power cables. The 24-pin connector powers the motherboard, while the 8-pin powers the CPU. Also, don't forget to plug in the power for your GPU and storage. Visuals. 1. Highlight different power connectors. 2. Demonstrate connecting them to the motherboard, GPU, and storage. Text overlay. Step 7. Connect power cables. Scene 9. Cable management and final check. Narration. Step 8. Cable management. Neatly tuck away and tie down the cables using zip ties or Velcro straps. This improves airflow and keeps your build looking clean. Once everything is secured, double-check all connections. Visuals. 1. Show neatly organized cables. 2. Close-up of checking all connections. Text overlay. Step 8. Cable management. Scene 10. Power on and testing. Narration. Step 9. Power it up. Plug in your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Hit the power button, and if everything is connected correctly, your new PC should boot up. Congratulations. Visuals. 1. Clip of powering on the PC. 2. PC booting to BIOS or Windows. At last, and that's it. You've just built a brand new PC in under 10 minutes. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Visuals. 1. Highlight the finished build. 2. Outro animation with channel logo and call to action. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.